Walking through the light today, something's calling out my way. All these choices, what to do, need someone to guide me through. When the path gets unclear and you don't know where to steer, oh, where do you go when you need the right ride? Where do you turn when you're looking for a bride? Oh, 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 oh. Paper scattered on the desk, financing's causing me some stress. But there's warmth in every voice, making this an easy choice. When the numbers feel too much, there's a helpful character. Where do you go when you need the right ride? Where do you turn when you're looking for a bride?
Started with a simple need, just transportation for my crew. Quality trucks from overseas, plus the new ones coming through. Payment plans that work for me, no stress about the monthly fee. Truckstar got the expertise, making deals so smooth and free. Japanese surplus in the arts, and then truck fresh off the line. Every day running hard, every day by good design. Staff to treat you like family. Guidance when you need it most, east to find a key. That's what makes this place mine.
Oh, winter winds may blow so cold, but there's warmth in stories told, finding what you're searching for.